again, another day for the exams today. We have two papers today. All the best, Rangon. Dibuli, tetap merda ka nonra pita nonra nimber ni dir tiga bubu bola-bola nonra pepa.
Right, matay manda.
Iyo.
Pagkarongot na instructions sila mo supervisor.
Right.
Listen very carefully
Iyo.
to the instruction given by the supervisor.
Iyo.
When it's time to read,
Iyo.
you're given 10 minutes to read.
Oh,
Your
yeah.
pencil. Take your pencil, jot down the main points.
Right.
That is allowed in the examination room. Jot down the if there's an essay
Yeah.
or the hardest, like you have to, because as soon as you open your test paper,
Yeah.
everything that you learn
Yeah.
will automatically
Iya.
remembered.
Dinasar, iya.
In your brain, eh?
Iya.
So now same time ya, you jot
Multiple choice.
jot down ta kair na no main points.
Iya, reda no chicken, bata no so essay chico, eh?
Iya.
Chicken no chicken no bola essay,
Right.
na no tabatali. Multiple choice.
Gori.
Okay, tagi ko era bu nitikina.
Myself,
Attempt ka raw
Yeah.
the hardest questions.
Iya.
Attempt the hardest question first.
Okay.
And then work on the easy ones later.
Okay, set. Don't mo benak. Don't mo benak.
For me, no. I
Yeah.
do myself, I do the easy one first.
Okay.
Then I do the hardest later.
Oh, okay.
Because most of the time, if I have the time, then I do the hardest.
Okay.
And also, when I'm doing like that, I'm doing the multiple choice
Yeah.
first.
This one during his school days in Ratuluke.
Yes.
The supervisor said, "Okay, you can start now. Pick up your pen now and start." But they tell me relax tu ani tabal kata tu nan roi no dei. Dem skakaya.
Listen.
Yeah.
That's true.
Iyo.
One day,
See?
I would like to say good morning to Emory Rangatika now in New Zealand.
Right.
One day, before we set for our examination, the FSLC, the FFE,
Yes.
Yeah.
we was there with Emory during the. Then I would like to say good morning to Mrs. Kumbunameda
Right.
from Ratuluk. This one was one of the best English teacher
Yeah.
Oh.
I ever met in my life of
Yeah.
schooling.
Iya.
So when teacher was there,
Yes.
you have to do the trial. There's two trial before the main examination.
Okay.
Iya.
So you have to trial how to use your time.
Iya.
Right.
You trial how to answer and tackle the question.
Yes.
Yeah.
So when the trial is there, myself was doing the multiple choice.
Iya.
We do the calculation first before, because multiple choice is
Easy.
because you
Because
have to calculate.
options are there.
Yeah, you need
Yes.
dot this answer, this one the answer, this
Yes.
answer. Then after I doing my examination, and this is mathematics where you use calculation,
Yes.
algebra and everything.
Yes.
We was doing the calculation. After that, when the extra 5 minutes given,
Yeah.
then I complete. I have to come to the multiple choice. Then
Right.
the circle.
Yeah.
Then madam know.
Iya.
As soon as you finish, the time is finished.
Iya.
You
That's
finish.
Yes.
No extra.
Time's up. No
Yeah, time's
extra
up.
time.
Yeah.
No extra time.
Yes.
You have, because it's trial, eh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Have to trial your exam how to use your time.
Yes.
During the examination. And after that, madam, myself not yet.
Circle.
I just want to circle the multiple choice. It's already answered.
Yeah.
The point is there.
Yeah.
But I want to circle from here.
Yeah.
Just give me 5 minutes. No, the Messi, you
Yeah.
have to. From there, get around on the Zunruli.
Yourself anger.
Yeah, because I'm sacrificed for my
Just put one circle on along the A4 paper.
Tawag lang Android ni Taki Universe. Then from there, I was like, and Emory.
Yeah.
Emory was like this. What about you? Me too happening.
Iya.
Same thing happened to you, happened to me.
Yes.
And we want our mark, eh?
Iya.
Because we are trying.
Yes, yes.
Mathematics is our best subject, eh?
Yes.
Then from there, I was like this. Maybe this is the right time to do from that, because this
Yes.
is trial.
Yeah.
So examination, when it comes to examination,
Yeah.
you have to use your time properly.
Right.
Right.
One of my friend.
Yeah.
We attach. He hates maths.
Iya.
Yeah. Antonio, masta Antonio lalbalamu. I mean, Antonio lalbalamu. Antonio nilong takua.
Iya. Iya.
Yeah, come.
Whenever we sit for maths paper,
Yeah.
and like from six, multiple choice there.
Yeah.
From 7, no multiple choice.
Oh yeah.
As soon as he opens his book,
Yeah.
he will only attempt the multiple choice. And when he doesn't know the answer, he'll go, inky, penalty.
Go make excellent go.
Kaya mikira,
Yeah.
sakasar kaya.
Our sister akan isi
But he's a
Malam
master now.
Suraki.
Yes,
Yeah.
he's teaching.
Thank you so
He
much
is
for the hard
teaching
work.
in a primary school, Pandit Vishnu dia primary school here in Rewanga.
Wala na.
Wale pa ni Australia be Waisna Rusa John Kumar,
Yeah.
Bile Senia, Akanisi Walo Masuraki, Rupen Imbulavo, Bile Senia, and everyone
Yeah.
joining this morning.
Pon dibilak, paano diba kami na paro chumi papalang yan na bukin nonton na release pa na nonton ng unibitarong ye, and matakiling ono pango.
During the teaching part like this, during
Yes.
mathematics and sometimes they don't give the. Now it's good. They have the formula.
Right.
Yeah.
Because mathematics is different,
Yes.
You have from one question, you have different formula you can apply in to come to the
To solve the problem.
Yes.
to solve the problem.
Uh-huh.
Woo, solve X.
Yeah.
Find X.
Yeah. Kona find X ya.
Right.
Ko basi ba kina kendo itala no aro na company. Dona marama ba kina dona dorbo ko rondo bisa mai. Gay do kila kona nakake. Okay.
Nafakawela.
Oira na mathematician.
Right.
Oira tukuno tu ni kake tu buru-burungo. Endo é science, endo é solve takira maths.
Yeah, right.
Kake tu buru-burungo na ngonda na imbuli-imbuli bi katoto ko. É science chicken na maths.
Right.
Kona maths ko na korbita lo taka kona kani urnitangi.
Go.
Iyo.
During the early days.
Iyo.
Yeah,
Iyo.
during the early days, these two was there, and their relationship was being Robito Butaki.
Updated.
Yeah, they are being updated. Abang ko na iPhone. So from there,
Yeah.
they hey, how come?
Yeah.
How come you here?
Yes.
I'm married here.
Yeah.
Okay, bakit tinika?
Aro to bisporta ke buku biyo ka di buku bonua.
Iya,
You follow me here?
their traditional ceremony of their genes.
Yeah.
They
Traditional
Connected.
Yeah, they're connected.
Yeah.
So Mbombo was married there, and hey, how come you married here? No, I'm married here.
Yeah.
I'm in love with this land.
Yeah.
So when these two was there, where you going? I'm going to the shop.
Yeah.
Okay, you go please.
Odor mo si boy ngone.
Boyang on it.
Siya boyang ono ka.
Iyo, Mbombo sa ando to na itamba.
Iya. Do kami dara bisa may wa ya.
Right.
Ni ngas to ko bu.
Iyo, ay, why you lose clothes?
Eh.
Sa tuno ka, sabi ko, siento kinikak. Tuna, I'm dry. Kata-kata.
Bumbu.
Mbombo.
Iya.
I'm
Asir
dry.
may sulombu.
Iya, sini bay sul. Baka may bay sul to ka?
Yes.
Eh, bay sul to ka sini baka
Right.
ni kata-kata.
I'm
Yeah.
high fever.
So, sa kaya wirtu na helicopter na singaliti.
Yeah.
May wiri dito
Yeah.
mangom.
Kata-kata.
What's wrong
bakar
with you?
lagi.
It's very hot because it's a cyclone season
Right.
and the weather is stop.
Right.
Yes.
And the Christmas is very near, eh?
Ha. So when they was there, this man, where you going? I'm going to the shop.
Yeah.
Okay, please you buy one
Fan.
fan for me.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, when they go, karua, and rabinaga John Turangambedi,
Yeah.
Elisapedi Paterosio.
Yeah.
Okay, go, you buy one fan for me.
Yeah.
Okay, sure, I'll do.
Please don't go company when you come back buy the fan for me, eh?
Yeah, I'll did. So come back. When he come back, this is your...
Electrical fan.
Yeah, this is your
Yes.
fan.
Uri lagi.
Tamagulebu, wish of my father.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I didn't know that you are my jin.
Yeah.
Sini kila nindarun rapat sarga. Ebitan ni dinanra.
Yeah,
I
hindi na
didn't
sa.
know that you are going to take it seriously.
Yeah. You know what? Rida tutu. Osan tutu na tiku be ko na beo kan ni ngori ko tungori be na be kan tarungur.
Right.
So come. Any
Yeah.
who's sa on saranga na fan.
Yeah.
Ko sa on bango nan ranulu ko bukai muri.
Kukuwa.
Ni ko kawa.
Oi.
Kay kamo, where
Is it a stand fan or wall fan or hanging fan or what? Hand fan.
The hand fan.
Oi.
Oh.
And
okay.
sa sini bersaro tutu. Ngo ko ka latest la ko butu mengo.
Yeah.
Andi na.
This one is the latest one.
Yeah.
Latest
See,
model.
yeah, latest model. You just take it like this. The power of this fan is very quality.
Rich ken dorbinaka.
Iya.
Iya.
Umbumbu to kay liw.
Yeah.
O tutu to kay liw. Mesando pa tan ken roiwan. See, I already told you.
Yeah.
Yaka in the afternoon they have their
Wasa-wasa number 2.
yeah, wasi-wasi na muro na luto. They doing their luto-luto in the afternoon.
She took the fan.
Yeah, they took the fan because you know.
May mga fancy tag.
yes.
Iya, may mga fancy tadi kamu.
Yeah.
Kukulan nung kuya ka.
Latest, latest
Yeah.
model.
When they doing the praying kay binuta ko mbumbu.
Yeah.
O tuto to ko may muris. Hindi to ka na
Fan.
ni chun, ni daw chun.
Oy.
Hindi ko to ka na fulo. Right, trua tolu langan sere. Langan sere when doing the sere and the
Sini kok seperti sarapin dan bag.
Sarap in the
Iya, iya.
Sangka lihat itu ko siya why are they laughing during this big,
Yes.
you know, you can make
Some
fun
singing.
of anything else.
Yeah.
Yes.
When it comes to church, you know.
No,
Be
don't.
serious.
Yeah.
Yes.
Karena kita na lawan sa handren na tokor na linis ko song. Then Bumbu ask me, hey, why are you laughing at? Ni lo to
Why?
do?
Why you laughing?
Why you laughing?
Yeah.
When he's churching
Yes.
and you fan.
Iya.
Sarang kayo na baka tunggong ko isang defend ko na fendi na.
Iya.
O tau bule mebe ko na
Na
hair
head
dryer. He bought the hair dryer for him. Ang kay bang ko tutu, balang kay Bumbu ni sarang ko na mebe tutunggo ko na latest.
Dia mah fancy tak serang ko. Dia model sa.
And pi mama tu ni lo tunggo sampai si kata mekir na posat ta. Kake de kota kabala nawe kangu be dorbo. Kake de kota kabala nawe kangu. Au boso tiko kino kangu sase.
Sasya ka seranga.
Ada mo nanu mo saro te mikirong kay lawango na ulu ko sa kami kali tutu. Nakapunilangi. Napasilin ni man kay mama la.
Lagi apa?
Binabalebu.
Ay lai. Ora kutu yung limbu.
Ah.
Salin dia tutu na kokulit lagi.
Tama mo tutu akang ko sa sinita karaw.
Itu kana to yan binaka.
Yan binaka, men.
Tamay semya parama me fen nga. Evo na nga may hinadangi. Tinay text yan binaka. Niyan binaka ken Sara.
Isa do tali tu na biyo kan di mga bunuay.
Ayan din
Tapi
na
kan
Sara.
nagila ko ba tu kan bis pultaki. Ya war na makati ko ba do tali talo na menas pultaki no dorubo. John Kumar matake bila sa niya binabalib sa arbito kan matake di ko may Australia Victoria. Wais na Rusa. Wala binakan bulu bito kan binabalib siya raratu tao. Sa matsuko man matake di ko. Bikim na kadar ngoda no muhat no mulaki matake no mushare.
Right.
Ana matake di ko. Meta na matake di mataka kalunga tsuko ng bula pa ko di binabiro lebenda. Go kuru mundo.
El